Hello everybody, my name is Craig Bennett, and today we are taking a quick look at Rogue System, a quick update they added. And they added a maintenance hatch within the ship. Now, as far as things goes, we're in early access still in alpha. It's 0.2.01. And if you don't know about this game, it's basically a almost a true space sim. It has a lot of good features with it. But I got a few other videos onto it, and I really hope this one takes off. I think it only has like 3 or so people are programming it. So as far as that goes, I'm gonna be focused on the maintenance area, but I don't remember this keypad being there before. So one thing to note is you have on pretty much all these keypads is a interior lights, a floodlights. And as far as the doors, they don't work except for the maintenance area, which is, I think it's called equipment something. And as you see here, the door is closed right there. And see if I can straighten myself out. The equipment bay access and the other. So let's try to face the door. And there you go. Now let's turn on the floodlight real quick. And there we go. Now keep in mind this is a zero gravity space sim. And it's, as you can see here, is very unforgiving. So if you mess up, start rolling or something like that, it's very hard to fix yourself. So forgive me on this. But as far as that goes, it's just how it is until artificial gravity is added. Now, as far as this area, let's start from the ladder going to the left. Basically, we have a breaker fuse box area and a gas area. Now, as far as this goes, I'm going to show you how to reset this stuff whenever you need to. There is no real function for it at this time. Keep in mind, the storage, the toolbox, and all that stuff here is empty. There's a lot of things here that are just there for right now. In the future, they're going to add functionality to it, like they've done for everything else. But as far as that goes, the left side you got fuse box area, and the right side you got gas. Let's keep turning. And what we have here is a toolbox area. And let's open up this. And I'm going to show you what it looks like without the lights on when I go back up. And I saw there's nothing. We have a cargo area right here. And I think this is a server, might be oxygen scrubber or something of that nature. But as you see here, it's storage. And let's try to open that up. And in fact, I'm going to close that now that you've seen it open. And that way you see what it looks like when the power is off, in case you run into that. So as far as that, one thing I kind of wish they added is glow in the dark type of feature. Because when the lights are off, they're off. But let's go down. So going back to the ladder. Let's go from the right, from the ladder to the right this time. And most of this is cosmetic down here, but as you see here, we have that, so we can open and close the bay hatch, as we see there, and also turn on and off the lights. As far as that area, it's purely cosmetic. I don't know what they're going to do with it. This over here, it's interesting. It's the it's a TV showing you what the cockpit sees. For those of you who don't know, this particular game, their ships, their spaceships, they use TV monitors. Basically, you have cameras on the outside and you got TV monitors on the inside. And what that does is it allows you to have a little bit more realism, because realistically, you wouldn't have a glass spaceship or glass anywhere on the spaceship unless if it was like a transparent metal of some type, or like transparent aluminum. But the reason for that is a paint chip, and this is no joke, a paint chip went several inches, like almost half a foot within the something like half a foot, but within the windshield of the orbiter, because how fast things go, and everybody knows paint chips are virtually nothing. So that's why you want to have glass for the stuff. Have reactive metals would be a better idea, and that's what the developer decided to go with. This area is cosmetic. This area is cosmetic. This area has scrubbers. So as far as the scrubbers, there is animation when you take them out, as so, and you can actually grab them, toss them around, do whatever. But let's go ahead and grab this scrubber, have it come out. And as seen here, right there, we can actually install it. Now, as far as that goes, it's very difficult to install these, and hopefully they'll make it easier. I don't know of any real purpose of them right now. I don't think there is any real purpose of having them right now, simply because I had them out for a long time and played around and nothing happened. So I don't think this bottom area at all has really any purpose at all. So as far as that goes, let's turn off the lights and head up top and cause it where we need to reset some of the stuff so you can see the animation. Now I like it with the lights off, simply because it's easier to see things. As you can see here, you can even see this area before. I guess it's cosmetic, but still. And I think it's easier to see a lot of this with the lights off. So going to the ladder, let's go up a bit. As you see here, you can actually see all this stuff, no problem. And let's close this so you can see what it looks like. And as you see there, and same thing here, as you saw here, it's just empty space, cargo and whatnot. In case you're wondering about the animation. And this area back here, which I'm not, again, it could be oxygen generator or something else. So let's cause a malfunction real quick and start that process. Real quick. And let's turn the chair. And yes, each one of these buttons does something. That the ones that says NYI means not yet implemented. So as far as here, what we want to do is jettison that. We need to jettison that, and I think we need to jettison that. So let's turn off the alarm. And as you see here, it says NYI, it means not yet implemented. And we got a few failures, nothing too big. So let's go down and check them out. And let's go back. And I could see where someone can get motion sickness from this if they're wearing a VR headset, but I think it'd be an awesome experience. So here, notice that the things were up and down and they had a green light. Now they don't have a green light, but you can make them up and down again by just selecting them. Again, there's not much to this area. These I can't really get them to do anything. I don't know if there's any animation at all. So yeah, there might not be an animation for the breakers. But as far as that goes, if you've got any questions, anything else, then please feel free to let me know, and I'll try to answer as quickly as possible. And feel free to leave a like, subscribe, share, and whatnot. And check out my main channel, and I will see you in the next video. And the link to this game, by the way, will be down below. Feel free to support the developers. Again, I think it's only 2 or 3 developers who are making this game. Might be a little bit more, but it's definitely not a full team. It's definitely any development. But anyways, as far as that goes, if you've got any questions, let me know, and see you next video. Hope you have a great day.